In this video, I want to talk about how you can get dividend on eToro. Now, to get dividends, if you choose, let's say, Apple and go to financials, you'll see that they pay dividends. Some companies don't. And how you can check this is simply just Google the company. So you can do Tesla dividend, and you should be able to, or just Tesla stock, and you should be able to see if they have a dividend. So you see here, there's no dividend yields for Tesla. So that means Tesla don't do dividends. So if you come back here and you search for Tesla, you will see that this should match. Financials, 0% dividend yield. So if you want, you need to make sure that you buy the stocks with dividends, and then they will pay these dividends either once a year, twice a year. Usually it's annually, so once a year you're going to get dividends. And the more shares that you own, the more dividend that you're going to receive. Now, some companies pay dividends directly cash onto your account, and others pay it in stock. So that is basically how that works, guys. You just want to find the companies and make sure they have a dividend. Otherwise, you're not going to receive any. And you just need to hold the stock when they pay out the dividends. So if they do it annually, you just need to make sure that you have the stock when they're paying it out. And that's how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.